Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can set up Family Link on your iPhone. So first up here, you want to go and open your Chrome browser on your iPhone. And here on the search box, you want to type here Google Family Link. And then you want to tap on Go button at the bottom right hand corner. So from here, you want to go to families.google.com here on this link. As you can see here, you just need to sign in. So we're going to tap on sign in button. And then on this next page, as you can see here, does your child have a Google account? So basically, we're going to tap on this no button. And then we're going to create Google account for your child. So we're going to tap on next. And here you just need to complete all the informations. And once you've done creating your child's Google account, we're going to check these two boxes and tap on I agree, and then just need to enter your password. And once you've done entering your password or parent's password, you want to go here on parental verification. And once you've verified as a parent, you are now going to the main page of Google Family Link. So basically, here you can actually add some devices, or you can add also another child's account. So basically, you can find all the device history with this Google Family Link. So that's it. That's how you basically set up Google Family Link on your iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.